Hey everyone, this is Calligraphy and Pen, and this video that you'll be watching today, this is a card that I made with some watercolor, and I was just practicing. Guys, I'm a complete beginner. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but we'll see. Complete beginner. But in this video, I did want to just lay out some reasons why I specifically like calligraphy and card making for myself, and reasons why I started as a hobby, just completely. So number one, I think that calligraphy is just very easy to get into, very low cost. If you have $20 or less, you can go ahead and get you a pad and calligraphy pens. I went to Hobby Lobby myself, and you can get started with that. And even if you don't have $20, you can grab a pencil and some paper. There are some really good tutorials on YouTube that can show you how to start with literally a pencil. And so when it comes to cost, I know some hobbies out there, they're very hard to get into because the startup costs are so steep, but for calligraphy and hand lettering, it's just not the case. And so number two, for me, it is sentimental. Personally, I had an aunt who used to send things and she wrote in beautiful handwriting. She also used to crochet or quilt. I'm not sure which one, but I just think it's so special to be able to make things and send them out to the ones that you love. So I would like to just kind of carry that on. And number three, trying something new. I think it's always good to just try something new and to always be able to focus your brain on learning a new skill. And I've enjoyed it, and it's helped kind of build confidence, when you say, oh, okay, oh, wow, I'm getting better, to see yourself make progress and, keep practicing and see something that you actually enjoy and like. So moving on to number four, this is kind of going along with number three. I think it's good in general to focus your mind on something. We can get so bombarded on the phone and watching videos, scrolling. And I think it will serve everyone well to get off. If you learn a new skill on YouTube, of course, but let's not spend all day on it. Learn the skill, get off, and try that skill. Focus your mind on something that has nothing to do with the screen. And I think it will do us well. And I feel like it helps with stress relief. Just to be able to, like I said, get your mind off the phone, off the stresses of this world. There's so many things to worry about, but sometimes when you can focus your mind on something that is calming, like sewing or calligraphy or whatever that hobby is for you, I think it honestly will serve us well. And it's very calming. Calligraphy is very calming to me. Just to be able to write handwriting. And recently, probably in the last year, my cursive writing was horrible. And I started to hone in on that and just getting better handwriting. And honestly, I mostly write in cursive now completely. And I just love doing that. And I'm going on. I think we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Okay. So also, this is a skill that you can pass on to someone else, even if it's not your own children, to someone else, the younger generation. Let's pass on skills to them. So everyone is not just super techie. I think we need to show them that it is important to put the phone down and carry on something for the next generation as well. This is something that your children can learn, or a younger person that church or anything, to pass this on so that they can pass it on. And it's something that will be near and dear to them, a skill that they learned from someone that they love, and then they will feel that same sentiment and pass it on as well. Okay, and then moving on to the last one that I have on here, it is a way to bond, in my opinion, to bond with your family or with anyone else, a friend. So when I say that, I mean, when you are passing on a skill, say to your children, and you guys sit down, take time, a lot of times, guess what happens? Conversation. Conversation happens when you sit down together and put your mind to something and focus on something. And you're teaching them, they're asking questions, and it is a great bonding moment. I think that this can grow relationships within families. And it doesn't have to be calligraphy or hand lettering. It can be anything you choose. There are so many hobbies out there. And I think it's important for families to have those bonding moments and to have ways that they can connect with each other. We are missing that so much in the world right now, connectivity. It seems like we're more connected than ever just because with the tap of a finger, I can see what someone is doing in another country. But honestly, that has taken us away from our personal relationships, people who see us, who can touch us, who can cry with us, laugh with us. And that is what we need more of, especially within our family unit. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy this card making video. And remember, I am a rookie, so please don't be too harsh, but I would love to know what you have to say in the comments, any comment on what I've said, any of the points, or if you have any tips. If you're just like a great calligrapher or you're a watercolor artist and you have some tips and tricks for me, please help me. I would love the advice. So, all right, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and please come back for more.